Hello, my name is Ali. What's your name?
Hi, Allie. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Sudan. And you?
I'm from the United States.
Wow, that's great. Have you ever been to Sudan?
No, not yet, but I want to visit.
You should visit. Sudan is beautiful.
I hope I can go next year.
That's a good plan. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I like meeting new people and learning languages.
That's amazing. I also like learning English.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. I study at the university.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
That's interesting. I like computers too.
Really? What do you like about computers?
I like programming and learning new technologies.
Cool. Maybe we can learn together sometime?
Yes, that would be great.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading books, playing football, and listening to music.
I like reading too. What kind of books do you like?
I like history and science books.
Nice. I prefer novels and stories.
That's cool. We can exchange books sometime.
Yes, I would like that.
Do you travel often?
Not very often. Sometimes I go with my family.
Where did you travel last time?
I went to Khartoum last year. It was amazing.
I hope I can visit Khartoum soon.
You should. There are many beautiful places.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football and swimming.
Me too. Maybe we can play football together.
That sounds fun.
What about music? Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I like listening to traditional songs.
Interesting. I like pop music and sometimes classical music.
Cool. Maybe we can share music recommendations.
That's a great idea.
So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I want to read a new book and watch a movie.
That sounds relaxing. I will also watch a movie and rest.
Great! Maybe next time we can watch a movie together.
Yes, I'd like that.
Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
Good morning, Allie. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well. How about you?
I also slept well. I had a very relaxing evening.
That's good. What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park and read a book. It was very peaceful.
Sounds nice. I stayed home and watched a movie.
Which movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy film. It was very funny.
Haha, I like comedy movies too. Which actor did you like the most?
I liked the main actress. She was very talented.
That's interesting. I like her too.
Do you usually watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I prefer watching at home. It's more comfortable.
True, but sometimes I enjoy going to the cinema with friends.
That's nice. Maybe one day we can go together.
Yes, that would be fun.
What are your hobbies besides watching movies?
I like painting, cooking, and books.
I like swimming too. Maybe we can go swimming together.
Sure, that would be great.
Do you like listening to music while cooking or painting?
Yes, music makes everything more enjoyable.
I agree. What type of music do you like most?
I like traditional music and sometimes pop music.
That's cool. I prefer pop and classical music.
Interesting. Maybe we can share our playlists.
Great idea. I would love that.
So, what are your plans for today?
I plan to read, exercise, and then watch a movie.
That sounds like a perfect day. I will clean my room and read a book.
Great. I hope we can meet soon and practice English together.
Yes, that would be excellent.